In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open, edit, and manage your design files using Google Drive without needing to rely on the desktop app, whether you're working with PSD files for Photoshop or AI files for Illustrator. This method will provide a simple way to download, edit, and re-upload your files, making it ideal for those who might be editing occasionally and prefer a hassle-free way to manage their files. Let's start by navigating to Google Drive in your web browser. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of files and folders. Scroll through these until you find the design file you want to work with. This could be a PSD file if you're using Photoshop or an AI file for Illustrator. Once you've located the right document, simply click to select it. You'll see an option to download this file to your computer. Go ahead and initiate that download. While this process might take a moment, it's important as downloading the file directly from Google Drive ensures that you're working with the latest version. This way, any amendments you've made previously and saved to Drive will be included. After your download is complete, open your file in either Photoshop or Illustrator, depending on the format. This direct opening method means you're all set to start making your edits using the robust tools these software applications offer. As you work on your design, don't forget to regularly save your progress. Saving your changes frequently is a good habit to develop, as it prevents accidental data loss. Now, once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your modified file to your local storage. It might take a while if the file is large, so be patient. With your changes saved locally, the next step is to re-upload the updated file back to Google Drive. Simply go back to your browser and return to your Drive folder. Here you can upload the revised file. You'll have the option to either replace the existing file in Drive, which is efficient if you're looking to keep only the most recent version, or you can choose to retain both the old and the new versions. The latter option can be handy if you might want to refer back to the original file later. This method, although it might take a few extra steps compared to using desktop syncing apps, is particularly suited for those who edit such files infrequently. It's a slower process by nature, but it gets the job done effectively without cluttering your desktop with additional software you rarely use. So next time you need to make an edit, remember this simple Google Drive method. It's the perfect solution for those occasionally needing to dip into their design files for a quick change.